Inhlangano iSouth African Medical Association ithi imali ekhokhwayo njengamanje engamashumi ayisikhombisa amarandi yokubhekana nomsebenzi okukhona kuwo ukubhalisela ayenele ukubhekana nezindleko zokuhlela kanye nokusebenza. Le nhlangano ithi kukhona okungeke kwenzeke ngendlela.
The doctors cannot at the current fee be able to implement everything that they need to get this going, as you will have to pay out of your own pocket at the end of the day.
Le nhlangano ithi izoqhubeka nokunxenxa uhulumeni. Isitolo esithengisa imikhiqizo yemithi iClick sesivele sithole imvume eMnyangweni weZempilo njengengxenye yesigaba sesibili sokugomela iCOVID-19. Nalapho kusagonywa kuphela abantu abaneminyaka engamashumi ayisithupha nangaphezulu. Kudingeka ukuthi babhalise nge-internet eMnyangweni weZempilo. Kusenjalo, iDischem yona ithi iqale ngezikhungo eziyishumi kulolo lonke leli.
5 in Gauteng, 1 East London, 2 Cape Town, 2 KwaZulu-Natal and 1 Free State. The capacity per day that we foresee and we're planning for is 500 per day per mass vaccination site.
We have another 20 pharmacies coming online, but we've got 504 pharmacies in the pipeline waiting for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Because at the moment, the limiting factor is the cold chain requirements for the Pfizer vaccine.
Isikhungo sizosizo lemithi iMedScheme siphinde sagcizelela ukuthi abantu abangamalungu aso kufanele babhalise ohlelweni lwe-internet lomnyango wezempilo.
You have to first register on the national EVDS system on the links that have been provided everywhere. And there's registration through web, the phone, call center, USSD, there are various platforms on which an over 60-year-old can register.
Bangaphezulu ka-1.23 wezigidi abantu abaneminyaka engaphezulu ngamashumi ayisithupha babhalisele ukugoma. Umnyango unethemba lokuthi uzokwazi ukugoma abantu abayizigidi ezinhlanu asebekhulile ekupheleni kukaNhlangulana.